In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your Quora profile link. This is really useful if you want to share your Quora profile with friends, add it to your social media bios, include it in your portfolio, or send it to someone who wants to see your answers and activity. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to find your personal profile link and how to copy it correctly. First, open your web browser and go to the Quora website. Make sure you're logged into the account whose profile link you want to share. If you're not logged in, enter your usual login details and wait for your Quora home dashboard to load. This is the main page where you see your feed of questions, answers, and suggested content. Once you're on the home dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. It might be a small photo, your initials, or a default avatar. Click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. This menu gives you quick access to things like your profile, settings, and other account options. In that drop-down, you'll see your name listed as one of the options. Go ahead and click on your name. This will take you directly to your public profile page. Give it a second to load, and you should now see your profile picture, your bio, and all your activity on Quora. Now that you're on your profile page, you're ready to grab the actual link. Move your mouse up to the top of your browser window and click once on the address bar where the web link is displayed. When you click there, the entire URL for your profile should become highlighted. If it doesn't highlight automatically, you can press Ctrl+L on Windows or Command+L on a Mac to select it. With the link highlighted, copy it. You can do this by right-clicking and choosing Copy, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. That copied URL is your unique Quora profile link. Now you can paste and share it anywhere you like. Use Ctrl or Command+V to paste it into a message, an email, a document, or any social media profile. That's all you need to do to copy your Quora profile link and share it with others.